Hey there, we're going to start some tutorials that help us calculate the value drivers for our financial analysis project. The first one we're going to calculate is total revenue growth rate, otherwise known as sales growth rate. And basically, the sales growth rate is going to give us a number, a rate that we're going to use to estimate how much sales are in the next few forecasted years for our project. So we're going to start by inserting a row between cost of revenue and total revenue. Total revenue and sales are the same thing. And I'm going to type in sales growth rate. And then I want to know that it's not a balance sheet item. It's just something that I'm entering. And I know that sales from 2010 grew between 2010 and 2011. And I know that they grew from 2011 to 2012. I can tell by looking at my numbers. 5.67 million, 6.08 million, 6.64 million. So I'm going to do my standard calculation for growth rate. New value divided by old value minus 1. It's not $0. It's 9.27%. I'll drag this across, and I can't go 3 years because this third year would reference that empty cell. So I'm just going to go 2 years, and I'm going to see that I've got two values, 9.27% and 7.23%. So I'm going to come over here, and under my column that says averages, I'm going to average these two things, 8.25%, and I'm going to use that as my value driver. You see I added two new columns from between now and the earlier common size sheet. I added an average and a value driver. The reason for this is we're going to end up calculating averages for everything in this row, but we're not going to use them all as value drivers. And here where it says type, when we're forecasting, it'll say sales, 8.25%. Well, what is that? What that is a growth rate, at least in this example. Value drivers come in a lot of different types. So as you forecast each line item, you're going to have to forecast a lot of things differently. It's not one size fit all. So what is this? It's a growth rate. That means that we're going to assume that sales is going to be 8.25% larger this year than it was last year. And we got that by averaging the growth rate of the last 2 years. So this level of sales is 7.23% greater than that level. This level of sales is 9.27% greater than that level. So if we average those, we get 8.25%. So when we forecast sales for 2013, we're going to guess that it's 8.25% larger than sales for 2012. All right, happy calculating, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.